Welcome to everyone. I am Dr. R.Sembiyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Cuddalore. In these videos, we are going to discuss about personality. In the outline of this video's content is introduction of personality, factors determining personality, need for personality, and improve personality. First of all, introduction. The word of personality is derived from the Latin word a persona. It should be meaning of mask. The study of personality deal with the issues of human individualities. Some personality can be defined as a unique and consistent pattern of behavior, thoughts, and feelings in wide variety of situations over a long period of time. So personality is said basically its meaning from the Latin word it's a mask. Uh, Personality is the total qualities of an individual. It's in our thoughts, feelings, behavior. So all the things comes under the personality. When we talk about personality, we usually refer to the totality or whole of the person. The sum total of ways in which this individual reacts and interacts with others. A person's unique pattern of thoughts and feelings behavior persists over time and situations. Look at this image. Personality is in our thoughts, feelings, behaviors, sometimes values, emotions, feelings. These are whole process of an individual. It's inclusive of personality. So, what are the factors determining our personality? There are four factors determining our personality. One is biological factors. Second one is psychological factors. Third one is social factors, and last one is cultural factors. We'll see by one. You look at the image, you'll be getting a clarity of the factors influencing about personality. First, we go and see by biological factors. Personality development is influenced by many biological factors. It includes genetics and hormones. Genetics. Studies have shown that personal characters such as physical appearance, emotional reactivity, energy level of introversion, extroversion are strongly related to genetic composition. In this content, the genetic influence are influenced by our character, physical appearance, emotions, by the heredity to heredity, so or on generation to produced by the next generation. This other it also character by introversion character, extroversion character also strongly influenced by the genetics. It has been suggested that introversion, extroversion as the most genetically influenced by the personal traits. Introvert characters like an quiet, reacting, introspective, and not socially very active is totally different from the extrovert characters. Extrovert are characterized as the being outgoing, impulsive, having many social contacts, frequently talk with part of group activities and inhibited. See, introvert and extroverts totally differ from the characters, opposite characters. For example, introvert characters they are not mingle with groups and they are doing work alone. In extrovert characters easily mingle within a social group, social contacts, frequently talk with others. These are the introvert and extrovert. Look at this image. Introvert characters spending time with alone. An extrovert character is easily socialization. Think before and acting. They are an introvert, extrovert characters, action oriented. they enjoyed one and only. They are enjoying extrovert character. They are enjoying with others. Learn thoughts in an observation. They are in a very grappling power. It totally differs from the extrovert character. Next, hormones. The secretion of endocrine gland hormones also influence the behavior. Example, when the thyroid glands are overactive, then the persons became irritable, restlessness, and hyperactivity. When it is dull, he became a slash as dull. Aggressive and metabolism are the two behavior of affected by the sex hormones. Androgens level correlated positively with the aggressive tendency. Estrogens level correlated with the materialistic tendency. In hormones also influence our personality. Like in a thyroid glands, an overactive person became a irritable, hyperactivities. This kind of emotions also produced by the gland systems. Endocrine level correlated with partially aggressive tendency. Estrogen level is correlated with materialistic tendency. Next one is physical environment. The physical environment also influenced the personality. First one is climate and second one is ions. The climate. The phrase hot temperatures illustrate the common association between the heat and anger. The great deal of psychological research has explored whether there is a relationship between the environmental temperature and aggression. Hot temperatures increase aggressive tendency, and this is documented by the factors. Hotter regions of the world are associated with more aggression. So in this physically environmental, the climate and ions, these two things also influence our personality. The climate, they indicate in the regional ways, hot temperatures. Hot temperatures, it is a correlated relationship with the environmental temperatures is given a more aggressive tendency. In ions, the climate is not only the environmental factors that influence the aggression. A study shows that negatives and positive ions are also affect aggression and mood. For example, onset of global winds like the Santa the California correlated in increased crime, suicide, and industrial accidents. Psychological factors. The psychological factors are like one is self-concept, second is intelligence. Self-concept, self-concept, intelligence. Self-concept, a person's self-concept is a person's view of his or her own strength and weakness. The self-concept became the core the personality. A person with a strong sense of self-recognition that he or she has a wide range of capability. A person, while self-evaluation or negative tendencies experience the consistent high level of anxiety. An individual with a poor self-concept feels sense of powerlessness. Understanding the four types of personality. The A type personality, B type personality, and C type personality, and D type personality. The A type personality is direct oriented, B type personality is the socializer, and the C type personality the thinkers, and D type personality the supporters. A type personality directed the goal oriented and risk taking, a good under the stress. But B type personality relationship oriented, outgoing, enthusiastic. C type thinkers C type personality, they thinker, detail oriented, logical, and prepared. Type D, the supporters are task oriented, stabilizing, and intelligence is one's individual characteristics that is very relevant to the personality development is intelligence. Intelligence is capacity of learning and includes problem solving abilities. Intelligence has a profound impact on many areas of development and behavior. It seems that children who learn rapidly and apply knowledge develop more positive self concept. And next one is family determines. The family unit is the chief model of personality. It is within the family system a major factors of personality determines identification occurs. Parents serves the models of identification. A father can facilitate the development of masculine in their son. It a democratic child recognizes there is an atmosphere of freedom of respect for individuality in a rational decision. Family plays an important role of development of self-concept. In social class, all socialists are some extent satisfied. Social satisfaction is a relatively stable hierarchical arrangement of groups of individuals with a higher class within this hierarchy recognize more social and material rewards of the lower class. There are many contrasts in the impasse in the middle and working class membership. It is member have be called as conceptual oriented. Member is working class as another hand typically have more serious functional concern. Social class and family, the both are main factors to influence our personality. And family determines the parenting role is a very major role in our personality. Like in a parents and an attitude, parents in democracy, parenting styles. Those are all the influence of our personality. In the social class, they are divided into three classes: upper class, middle class, and lower class. These are the conditions indicated by the economical ways. So economical conditions is most important to the influence of our personality. Economical conditions to develop everything in a psychological. The middle class tends to raise the children's high achieves environments is one in which cultural and physical and intellectual opportunities are available and encouraged. Children from the lower class families also tend to feel less source about their own self concept. It might be expressed that he varied of unstable. It might be expressed the varied stable effect of the social class with evident self-concept, self-esteem, member of the depressed class. Cultural factors. Personality difference between the national and the ethnic groups are probably recognized. There are stereotypes that all the people within the particular group or nations are believed to follow. This difference are ascribed as disparities in culture. Their culture involves consistency in the action of a larger number of people. Our behavior personality also shaped by culture. From the culture we learn values and norms. The influence of religion and education, it is developed a personality. Religion. Religion is factors that affects personality development in the generally and child rearing practice, family stabilizing and self-concept in the particular. Like a knowledge, attitude and problem-solving method may be influenced by the religion affiliation. The difference motivation level of by the associate for the part of my difference regional background. It still can profound influence the developmental of moral and ethical standards. Education. Education that we lost factors is one of the most influential personality development. Difference in the problem solving capacity, initiality, creativity, self concept, and as we noted more among children who have attended the different schools. The most important aspect of the school experience are peer relationship and students teachers relationship. Students generally sees teachers as role model of agents of change. Generally, the education will be developed as self-concept, problem solving skills, how they handle the people and creativity. So goal settings, these are the development in the education. So a person, the model of the teachers as a teacher should be created, molding the person to good human being in the society. Need for personality development. We all are social animals, we are alive in the society. So we have to see ourselves in the context of society, the society in which we live as a defined set of social norms. The social norms of good personality also differ from the society. There are norms basic personality and individuality. The personality norms contain social and moral values, ability to handle the advanced situation of stress. A powerful personality can be helped as to develop into the power and successful individual. Guidelines to improve personality. Here are some popular says which is will be helpful for everyone in the critical situation. Life laugh at you when you are unhappy. Life smile at you when you are happy. Life settle you are make other happy. It is easier to protect your field with slippers from the overcome the earth with carpet. Certain factors about personality development. You have a positive attitude, motivate yourself, believe in your strong points, effective body language, handle people in the right way. Always fill your mind with positive thoughts and tune things your favorite your successful ways is personality development. Thank you.